Boo.
Pretty well. For a hard ball.
That's the point. Wow, I really started videotaping at the right time here.
Huh?
What? Who? Nope. We need some ball boys for this catch match.
That's actually my first part.
Oh my gosh.
Little off target there.
Who am I? Josh Halliday.
Zim Zima.
Who's got the keys to my Bima?
Or I'm David Cone.
Conehead.
Oh!
That's gone.
Be gentle to my mother.